What do the Ligurian Sea and the largest island in the Dnipro River have in common? Or let's say, how could we join the middle 20th century classics with the modern days? For sure you've got it. Today we'll talk about Hортitsa. If you're already familiar with Hортitsa then for several years, you will have noticed that rifle's exterior remained unchanged. The classic Monte Carlo stock with a pneumatic system, which in general differs only by barrel length and air cylinder volume. By the way, this is the right moment to press subscribe and turn on the notifications, because we have already prepared the shooting part of this review. Don't miss it. So let's take a closer look. The stock is a classical Monte Carlo style. The fore-end surface is now flattened and equipped with an insert for the supplied QD swivel mount. The stock is made of ash tree and varnished to protect the rifle from moisture. If you will get in the rain with Hортitsa, the rifle will excuse you. The trigger guard geometry has remained unchanged, but look, it's now a matte finish. We agree, the gloss was too bright. The trigger piece is made of duraluminum and the safety is made of brass. And here the brass bolt catches your eye. The most interesting change is secured in this part. The release is modified in such a way that now it's much more convenient for opening and closing. To do this, you simply pull this lever. It's of a large size, which is convenient for operating in gloves and doesn't harm the operating fingers as it might have done before. Secondly, now you can shoot hundreds of pellets and not worry about the backlash, which naturally occurs between the moving parts of the bolt group. This is a sign of the need to tighten the regulatory nut. Aiming to do it, you want to unscrew half-turn the stud, tighten the stainless steel nut to remove the backlash, and screw the stud back as it was before. Now you can feel your airgun much better and set it up for a normal operation much earlier than the need for the first service will occur. The air cylinder and the regulator are now upgraded to the newest versions and unified with the Kozak models. By the way, regarding the air supply port, the port and the air cylinder cap are now upgraded to both simplify access to the port and to prevent the trapping of any harmful dirt particles into the air system. The Picatinny rail has remained unchanged. You have 14 cm of space to install any scope you may dream about. The main suppressor also remains unchanged, an integrated one. Please keep in mind that the shots will be much too loud without this part. Now let's check the barrels and cylinder options which Hортitsa may have. Aiming to speed up the heavier pellet to the optimal velocity, the Hортitsa models offer two calibers with different barrel lengths with different volumes of air cylinders. There are two calibers available, 1.77 and 2.2. The combinations of barrel lengths and air cylinder volumes for both calibers are exactly the same. The 330 mm barrels are installed together with 200 cubic centimeter cylinders. The 450 and 550 mm barrels are installed with 230 cubic centimeters air cylinders. If you prefer to use the ballistic calculator to get the elevation and windage corrections, I should add the rifling twist is left-handed. The step is 450 mm. I will tell you more about such trajectory calculations soon, so you should subscribe not to miss it. This will be an interesting talk. The pellets you will load into revolver-type magazines. The mag for 1.77 caliber has 12 places for pellets. The mag for 2.2 caliber holds 10 pellets. We supply 2 magazines with every rifle. By the way, the supply kit also contains 2 brass probes for pumping the air into the cylinders. And also there is an additional suppressor in every supply kit. You may use it if you wish for quieter shots. Depending on the rifle length, the net weight may vary around 3 kg by up to 400 grams. By the way, each rifle could be supplied in a special plastic case. What can you set up here to your demand? Firstly, you can adjust the load of the trigger. Adjusting this, you have to screw or unscrew the stud here inside the gourd. You need an Allen key of M16 size. Secondly, you can adjust the hammer spring. You will need a screwdriver of 8mm size. The adjustment range is limited to 5 joules, but you can do it to suit your needs. While shooting the optimal pellets at the optimal power level, you can make above 50 shots from a single fill, if using a 2.2 caliber rifle and the regulator adjustment at 24 joules. When shooting the 1.77 caliber, it will be even more. And don't forget to watch the backlash in the back end of the shutter and remove it once it occurs. If you want to get your own Hurtitsa Beauty, please contact your local Zbroya dealer. We can give you advice on how to find him. And I do already know how it shoots, and you will also know it soon if you have already subscribed to our channel. Please leave all your questions in the comment section below. We read all of them and we will answer ASAP. But I have to go now. See you soon in the next video. Take care. Bye.